Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to teach you how you can customize your lovely pair of boots with leftover fabrics. Yes, I have this leftover fur. This is a normal black boots platforms. They are very nice, but the other day I was about to go to an event. I was saying that I went to an event and I was needing something different. I want to wear some fur. I was craving some fur, so I had this leftover fabric. I said, okay, let me customize something. My boots matching with my dress. I had this leftover fabric and I was trying like this. I said, ooh, I like this. Even Russia style, this kind of, yeah. This is so easy, and this is, I think, is the easiest tutorial that I put here already on YouTube. You just need thread, matching needle, and this after to remove. They so quick, and you can try other colors as well, other textures. I decided to try this one because I had already. It's a leftover. You see, looks nice already. Grab your needle, your matching thread, you give a knot, and you start sewing them. Yes, doesn't need to be perfect because it won't show. Yes, if you use the right thread, it won't show. You will look nice. Easy, tahina. Easy. Thank you so much for watching. Share with people that like fashion, upcycling ideas, and yes, follow me for more. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Thank you.